Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to go over JASMY. So taking a look at our three time frames, we've got the weekly, daily, and then immediate short term for 4 hours. I'm also going to add some key indicators here. We've added our Bollinger Bands to kind of take a look at the volatility overall in the market trends. Also the key areas to watch out for areas of resistance and support. So let's go right into it. So heading onto the weekly time frame, we can see JASMY is trading around the 3 cents here, just below our 38% of our Fibonacci, a negative close from the previous weekly candlestick here. So we know the 38% here has been acted as a crucial support in the previous week. So this is going to be the ultimate test here for JASMY to see if there's going to be any buyers stepping in around the 38% to defend this zone. The 20 moving average here is now acting as a key area of support if we do lose the 38%, and the RSI roughly around 49% is signaling a neutral trend. However, when we take a look at the MACD indicator, again, it's still showing us a decline bullish momentum. These sellers are stepping in as we observed all of last week. Taking a look as well as some of our key indicators here, a weekly close below the 38 Fibonacci will increase the retest of the 30 or the 23% of our fib at 0.025. The supporting areas that we've already discussed is the 20 moving average and possibly the 23 percent of our Fibonacci. And if we're taking a look at resistance, if we see a spike in uptick in terms of our volumes overall, we may see a resistance line close above our 38% of our fib, also possibly come up to the 50%, which is very optimistic here at 0.037. Quickly shifting over to the daily time frame here, again, we can see that JASMY is below the 38%. We can see that the price itself is consolidating, going from a sideways price action. This is a temporary pause here, either a continuation of this current trend or we're going to see a reversal itself. The RSI is around our 34%. Again, not quite oversold here for an opportunity for a nice bounce here. We do ideally want to come down below 30% or 20% and at a solid area of support to be able to see that recovery. The MACD indicator, it still kind of remains bearish here. And again, if we do see a daily close below 0.0311, it could possibly come down to our next key support around 0.028. When we take a look at some of these candlestick kind of characteristics here, you guys can see that the small bodied candlestick, it does kind of reinforce that indecision amongst the buyers and the sellers. And of course, we're seeing the Bollinger Bands here restrict tighter, meaning that the consolidation itself may continue. Going into our immediate short term for 4 hours, again, we're seeing that more refined here in terms of the consolidation, moving sideways price action around 78% of our Fibonacci, again, signaling some indecision in the marketplace. The price itself is trading below our 20 and our 50 moving average. So again, these are going to be immediate resistance line if we're going to see a nice bounce or recovery for JASMY, especially in this lower time frame. The MACD indicator here again shows minimal momentum, smaller bodies to really reinforce this bullish momentum here, especially coming down closer to an area of support. Now, when we take a look at some of these Bollinger Bands, they are showing us that low volatility amping up for the next breakout. So if you guys do use Bollinger Bands, if you do kind of go back into your charts, you'll notice that when the Bollinger Bands kind of restrict and get really, really small, it'll soon expand, meaning that it is amping up for some type of breakout. This 4 hour candlestick that we are closely looking at, it does kind of look like an inverted candlestick, and it kind of shows some bullish aspects in a possible reversal, especially coming down to a downtrend. But be very cautious because we do ideally want to see a bullish engulfing candlestick after this close of this 4 hour candlestick in order to reinforce that recovery and that reversal candle. Quickly taking a look at some of our key areas here that we can watch. Again, a break above 0.033, if we're taking a look at areas of resistance here, could possibly signal a recovery around 0.0 0.3618. But then if we do break below 0.03089, which is really, really close here, it could retest that 0.02 cents level. But let me know what you guys think, what you guys are seeing in your charts itself. Definitely just double check right now with this consolidation zone. A lot of people may think that because we're on the very bottom of this restricted this range, this consolidation range itself, that we may have a quick recovery. We have seen it in the previous hours, on the 4 hours or the daily time frame, where we're able to see that nice pullback to the upside, but it may not happen at this point. We do see low volatility, meaning that the price may not move as quickly as we want, especially with the smaller bodied candlestick itself. A lot of indecisions in terms of the sellers and the buyers. But drop me down a comment down below. You guys, I am not a robot or an AI. I've seen a lot of messages down in the comments. I am for real. Pinch my cheek. I am real. But let me know, guys, down below if you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe as well. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.